So standard 11, welcome back. We were doing lesson 3 of Maths 1, not Maths 2, class 11. We have done solved examples on page number 44 in the earlier video. Now in this video we are going to solve some of the solved examples on page number 45. So in that example 4 that I want to solve, PT means prove that cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta upon cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta upon sin theta is equal to 3. This we have to prove. Now in this sum what we can do is, first of all we will write LHS equal to cos cube theta minus 3 cos 3 theta upon cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta upon sin theta. This is our LHS. That is equal to, now this is cos 3 theta and this is sin 3 theta. The expansion formula for sin 3 theta is sin 3 theta 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. From this itself cos 3 theta we can write. Just invert this. This 4 cos cube will come here, 4 cos cube theta. This is in cos, so it will become cos minus 3 cos theta. So both the formulae, remember one, that of sine, and you will remember this. That is equal to cos cube theta minus, for this it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta upon cos theta plus, this is sin cube theta plus 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta upon sin theta. So I will open the brackets now. Cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta, this will be plus 3 cos theta because this is minus, upon cos theta plus, this is as usual. Now this is 3 sin theta and this 1 sin cube minus 4 sin cube, that is minus 3 sin cube theta upon sin theta. That is equal. This also I can solve, minus 4 cos cube theta and plus 1. So this will become minus 3 cos cube theta. See these two. Plus 3 cos theta upon cos theta plus, out of this I can take 3 sin theta as common. Here it remains 1, here it remains minus sin square theta upon sin theta. Okay. Here also I can take common 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta is taken common. Here remains 1, that I will write first, and here remains minus cos square theta upon cos theta. this cos cut, plus this sign cut. So 3, 1 minus sine square theta upon 1 it is. So that is equal to 3, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta plus this is 3 into 1 minus sine square means cos square theta. So from this I can take 3 common. So 3 into bracket sine square theta plus cos square theta, and that is equal to 3 into 1, and that is equal to 3. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, and hence the proof. Hope that you have understood this. So take a screenshot if you need. So the fifth example now I am going to rub it. Fifth example we are to solve. PT tan of phi a plus tan of 3a upon tan of phi a minus tan of 3a, and that is equal to, we have to prove 4 cos square a into cos of 4a. So this sum also LHS we will take. LHS equal to tan of phi a plus tan of 3a upon tan of phi a minus tan of 3a. That is equal. What is meant by tan? That meaning I will write sine upon cos. So sine phi a upon cos phi a plus this is sine 3a upon cos 3a. This is the numerator upon this is sine phi a upon cos phi a minus sine 3a upon cos 3a. This is equal. Now for this, see the denominators, I will do the cross multiplication. So sine phi a into cos 3a, this cross plus. Now this will go here, cos phi a into sine of 3a upon cos phi a into cos 3a, cos phi a into cos of 3a. This is all with the numerator. Now the denominator. Denominator will be also same, only the sign will be minus over here. So sine phi a into cos 3a minus cos phi a into sine 3a upon cos phi a into cos 3a. This is equal. Now see the denominators are same, they will get cancelled. So that is equal to sine of phi a into cos of 3a plus cos of phi a into sine of 3a upon cos of phi a, sine of phi a into cos of 3a minus cos of phi a into sine of 3a. Let me see whether you can see in the video. Yes, you can see it. So here you have to remember one thing of what this is the expansion. Here I will try to explain you. Here I will write and rub it. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Okay, sine, cos, sine. Here also the same, sine, cos, sine. So this is your A, this is your B. This is your A, this is your B. Means exactly it is fitting in this formula. And below also it is fitting in the same formula. If it is minus, then here it will become minus. So from this I will write one step, and that is equal to sine of a plus b means phi a plus 3a upon, this is sine of phi a minus 3a. So that is equal to sine of 8a upon sine of 2a. Now what else is needed, that you have to see it very properly. This angle I don't want 4a, 8a, I want it as 4a. Forget this whether sine or cos, but the angle should be half of this. Sine to theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta, means make the angle half. So this angle I will make half. So 2 sine 4a into cos of 4a upon. This I don't want sine 2a or all. So I can cut that also, convert into sine, or I will do like this. For the time being I will keep as it is, because afterwards I am getting the whole thing what I want. Still I don't want this sine 4a, cos 4a I want. I will not touch this cos 4a. Now I will change it once again to half angle formula. So sine 4a means 2 sine, this will be 2 into, for this will be 2 sine 2a, half angle formula, into cos of 2a into cos of 4a upon sine of 2a. See that sine I don't want, I will cancel it. So that is equal to 2 to the 4 cos of 2a into cos of 4a. Again cos square a I need. So I need to convert that also. Write that much part. In the textbook, I think it is a mistake. Here it should not be cos square, it should be cos of 2a. Clear it, I will clear it in the textbook also. It should be cos of 2a, not of cos square a. 4 cos of 2a. It is a printing mistake in my textbook. In your also it may be. So hope that you have understood this, and write the last step, LHS equal to RHS. So here the question is completed this. LHS equal to RHS. So the next sum, the sixth example, that also we are going to complete today. So I am rubbing this. This was the fifth example, 5 it was. So now we will take the sixth example. Sixth example. I am clearing all board. Once you understand this basic conversion in trigonometry, then trigonometry is very easy. So prove that cos theta plus I sin theta bracket cube is equal to cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta, and where I square equal to minus 1. I will somehow discuss on this I square also. What is this I square? These are the imaginary numbers. Root of 4 is equal to 2. That we know. But what is the root of minus 4? That is equal to minus 2. It is wrong. Because how we find the square root? Multiply by the same number. Means minus 2 into minus 2. That multiplication should come minus 4. It is not possible. Minus 2 into minus 2. That will come plus 4. It will not come minus 4. So what is done is, to find this, so this is written as 4I square, where I square is equal to minus 1. That is equal to, now the root is possible, root of this 4 is 2 and root of I square is I. So 2I. That is what this I is. Okay. Now you have understood this. LHS I will take LHS equal to cos of theta plus I sin theta bracket cube. Let me take the question. I am very expert in writing the wrong questions. Yeah, it is correct, luckily. That is equal to. Now remember this formula also. A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. The same formula I will use here. So cos cube theta plus 3A square means cos square theta into B I sin theta plus 3AB square, 3A means cos theta into B square means I square sin square theta, 3AB square plus B cube means plus I cube sin theta, and it's also cube. I will write sin cube theta. So that is equal to cos cube theta plus 3. Now cos square means what? Cos square means 1 minus sin square. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That I will substitute here. 3 into 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Into I sin theta plus 3 cos theta into I square means minus 1. So here it will be minus 1 into sine square theta plus. This I will write as I square into I and sine cube theta. So that is equal to cos cube theta 3 into I sine theta. So plus 3 I sine theta. For multiplication this is convenient. We are in a practice like this. So I am writing that way. This plus and this minus, that will become minus 3 cos theta into, this is sine square. So sine square is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta plus. Now I square is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into I sine theta. I sine cube theta. Here you have to give the reason. I square is equal to minus 1. Here also we have used that. I square is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to cos cube theta plus 3 I sine theta multiply minus 3 I sine into sine square sine cube theta. This minus 3 cos theta. This minus minus will become plus 3 cos cube theta minus I sine cube theta. That is equal to, this is cos cube theta. Cos cube theta, here also there is a 1 cos cube theta. So together I will write 4 cos cube theta for these two. Now another pair, minus 3I sine cube and minus I sine cube minus 4I sine cube theta. So this part is also over. Now what is remaining? Plus 3I sine theta. Is there anything wrong? Just see the multiplication cos. This into this is this. This into this is this. Okay. What is needed? Cos 3 theta I want. So formula for cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube minus 3 cos theta. So from this I will do some jadoo. What is that jadoo? Something you can take common. 4 cos cube theta plus, what is common? 3 I sine theta. This much is common. What is remaining here? So not 3, only I sine theta. What is remaining here? 3 minus, what is this? 4 sine square theta. 3 or 4, that is, no, yes, 4 sine cube theta, 4 cos cube theta, 3 I sine theta, 3 I sine theta. Yeah, and let me check it whether there is any mistake done by us. Cos cube theta plus 3I sine theta minus 3I sine cube theta minus 3 cos theta plus 3 cos cube theta minus I sine cube theta. Yeah, absolutely correct up to this. No doubt of it. One term is, I think, remaining. This term we have not taken. This term. First of all, I will take that term. This term remain to be taken. First of all, I will take this and then I will write this. This we have done. So minus 3 cos theta. This is also taken. Now the remaining this 3 I will take. cos cube theta plus 3 cos cube theta, that is equal to 4 cos cube theta. Now this minus 3 cos theta taken over here. Now what is remaining? These 3 are remaining. Minus 3i sin this minus 4i sin cube theta and plus 3i sin theta. Okay. Now see what is the expansion of whose expansion it is? It is of cos 3 theta, cos of 3 theta. Now for this, what is that? I take out. So minus I is taken out. What is remaining? This will minus, instead of taking minus, this I will take plus I, because I know the formula for sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the formula. That's why I am taking only I common out of this. This I will write first, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So that is equal to cos of 3 theta plus I, and this is the expansion of sin 3 theta. So this way, this question is over. Try to understand this properly. It's a easy sum, not very difficult, but only some adjustment is needed. Okay, we will see in the next lecture now. Otherwise the video will be very long.